Hello. Thank you so much for holding. Mr. Robinson, we are running a special promotion in your area, and we are offering free upgrades for your old security system with latest 2013 wireless touchscreen based system. So are you currently using a security system at your place?
Yes.
Okay. And are you in a contract right now?
No.
Okay, so we can, as my agent told you, we are offering free upgrades for your security system. And the good thing will be there won't be any kind of system upgradation charges. And apart from that, you will be getting a better monthly monitoring rate. By the way, how much are you paying for the monthly monitoring?
Something like $30.
You are currently paying $30.
How many doors do you monitor?
How many doors lead from outside to the inside of your residence?
One.
One door. So for this door,
three
doors. Okay. For these 3 doors, we will be providing you with 3 door contacts. And okay, do you have any pets at your place?
Yes. Everything sounds good. Just need to know how many windows are you going to monitor?
Actually, sir, the PIR motion detectors that we're going to offer you will cover all your windows, so it won't be an issue at all.
So you put 1 on each level, or 2 on each level, or 3 on each? How do you do that?
So we will place 1 PIR on the ground floor, and it will be enough to cover.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
And then one upstairs.
What's the name of the company you're with? What's the name of the vendor? Guardian. So it won't be a problem. We can offer you these upgrades. It won't be an issue at all. You're paying $30, so now your monthly monitoring rate will be $28 a month, right?
Right.
Okay. So I will now set a date and time for you so that our installer can visit your place. Could be the most suitable date and time.
For this weekend?
This weekend. Okay, fine. So
this weekend is bad weather up here. We got snow and ice up here this weekend, so we won't be able to make it here. You could do it any time. I mean, I can do it during the week. It doesn't have to be on the weekend.
Okay. My senior manager will schedule all the details. So I require your patience. Just stay on the line.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. This is David Stark, the security specialist here. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, sir. You were talking to one of my sales rep, Chris Bryan, about the home security alarm promotion, sir. Did you understand all the points clearly, or you want me to give you a short recap on that?
I think I understood them all. I'm just trying to schedule a time. He's going to put motion detectors, but not the contacts, right?
Okay. Right. Yeah. How many doors do you have, sir?
Exterior doors are 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 3 doors. Okay, and do you have any indoor pets, like a cat or dog?
Yes.
Dog you have, is it under 60 pounds or above 60?
Above.
Above 60, okay. Okay, I got it. So do you have a system right now at your place, sir?
Yes.
And do you have a motion detector with that system?
Yes, several of them. 1, 2, 3, at least 3 of them, yes.
You have 3 motion detectors and door contacts for all the doors?
Correct.
Okay, 3 doors you have, so you have 3 door contacts. Okay. Do you have a key fob with you, sir? A keychain remote to control the system?
No.
You don't have one? Okay. So what I'm going to do here for you, sir, in this promotion, I'm going to include a key fob remote for you to, control the system. Basically, whenever you go out within thousands square feet of your home, you can just push a button on that key fob to arm the system or disarm the system. So that way, whenever you're going out, you can just arm the system without, disturbing the alarm. And whenever you're going to come back to the house, you can just push the button on that key fob to disarm the system. So that way, you can get inside of the house very easily without disturbing the alarm. And there's going to be a panic button on that key fob as well for the panic situations. So if you get any panic situation at your place, you can just push a button on that key fob to, set the alarm off, and we will get alert in our monitoring station.
Okay.
Now, the basic upgrade you're going to get in this package is that you'll get a touchscreen wireless keypad from our company, sir, that is going to be manufactured by GE General Electric, and that is going to be with a two-way voice communicator in it. You might have heard about the OnStar technology, right?
Right.
Yeah, so basically we are using the same OnStar technology in our system as well. That means if you get any emergency at your place, you'll get response from our monitoring station within 18 seconds directly with that dual device communicator. A person is going to contact you. He's going to talk to you over that two-way voice communicator, and he's going to, verify the emergency. He's going to talk to you, and after verifying the emergency, we will dispatch the current, the concerned department to help you out after just 18 seconds. This is the basic upgrade you're going to get from our company. Then you will get, a key fob, as I told you. You're going to get that as well. And now, I just wanted to know how much you're paying for the current system right now.
About $31 a month. $30.99 is what it is.
So what I'm going to do here for you, sir, in this promotion, I'm going to drop down your rate as well. I'm going to provide you the same system, like the same services, with better equipment, like with the upgrade, and your rate is going to be $28.99 a month, and that's going to be locked-in rate and never go up on you. That means the rate we're offering you today will stay the same for you for next 3 to 4 years, so you don't need to worry about any kind of increase in this rate. And right now over the phone, I'm just here to provide you all the information, and I'm just going to book an appointment for you. I'm going to send a person at your place. You are not going to make any decision right now. Yes, sir.
There's going to be a keypad by each. What the keypad's going to be the arm that's on the door, or do you use those?
You mean the keychain remote, or you mean the keypad?
How do you arm and disarm the system?
Let me explain you. The keypad we are going to provide you, it's going to be a touchscreen keypad. Like the system panel is going to be a touchscreen panel. You can, arm the system or disarm the system with that touchscreen panel as well. But in case if you're going out from the house, you can use the keychain remote to arm or disarm the system as well.
I got you. I understand.
Okay?
Yeah.
So when you're inside of the house, you can use the keypad to, set up your system, and whenever you're going out, you can use the keychain remote to control the system.
Okay? I understand.
All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do here for you, sir, I'm just going to book an appointment for you. I'm going to send a person at your place. He's going to show you all the equipment I told you, and he's going to give you a demonstration as well of our system, like how it's going to work. He's going to, provide you all the information about the panel I'm talking about. That is called Simon XTI. It's going to be manufactured by GE. And after your satisfaction, he's going to install the system, and you can just start paying the $28.99 a month to our company. That's all, because we are not going to charge you for the appointment, for the installation, or for the activation. Even whatever equipment you need for your house, like I gave you, that will be absolutely free of cost. So right now, I just need to know which day and time suits to you, so my guy can visit at your place and can show you each and everything. And after that, you can decide and get the system installed. Okay?
Okay. All right.
So which day and time suits you? I can send the person on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
Monday would work.
Monday would be good, okay. Monday, what time, sir? We have 3 different time slots, like 8 to 11 in the morning, 11 to 2, or 2 to 5. 11 to 2. Okay. 11 to 2 on Monday. Let me see. Monday is going to be 16th of December. Okay?
Right.
All right. Now, I just need to verify your information, sir, so that way I can send the installer the number I have right now on which we're talking. That is 703. Is it a regular home phone, sir? Landline?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the place I'm going to send a person, it's going to be 13139. Is it correct?
Right. Correct.
The name I have, it is Laureen Robinson, sir. What is your name?
ERROLL.
Okay, Earl Robinson, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you're the homeowner here, right?
Correct.
Okay, great. Can I have your cell number as well in case of emergency if you need to contact you?
571.
Now, in case, like, in order to, book an appointment for you, we just require one more thing here from you, sir, and that is basically we just confirm that the deed of the home is under your name and you're the homeowner. This is a policy. So to run a simple utility check, I just need to have your date of birth as well, sir.
7/12.
All right, great. So I'm going to send the person on Monday between 11 to 2, to show you all the equipment, and at that time you can decide, sir. And on Saturday, I'll give you a reminder call back as well, okay?
Good. Well, what's the name of the company again?
It's Monster, and the person is going to come from that's the name of our dealer. We are authorized dealers of.
And
okay.
Where's the Lone Semi at? Where is it?
It's North Carolina, sir. Charlotte, North Carolina, but the person is going to come from your local area. He's going to be from Virginia.
If I get a alarm, where does it send the signal to?
We have 6 different monitoring stations in whole America, sir. We don't have only one. So basically, we have one in Florida, one in Virginia. We have one in North Carolina.
Okay, good enough. Virginia is good enough.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Yeah. Okay. So you don't need to worry about, because our response time is only 18 seconds, so you don't need to worry about the response. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot. See you on Monday, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.